So how do you add a language to your iPhone's keyboard? So you can see my keyboard is right here. The regular English language is there. And in order to add a new one, I'm going to go to the settings and make sure I'm on the main page. So we are here. And you need to navigate to the general section. And from there, you can find a couple of different options, of course, including the keyboard. Then select the keyboards at the top again, and this is the list of the currently used ones. So I have a couple of third-party ones, right? So for example, I have the English, emoji, and Slovak are the built-in. Then I have the Gboard and SwiftKey and this like paste keyboard, which are third-party apps. But if you click on add new keyboard, you can add like from third-party ones if you have any, or here are essentially all of the languages which are part of the Apple keyboard. So just scroll through them until you find whatever language you want to add, right? So it can literally be anything, so many options. So just take your time. But let's say I pick Japanese, then I just choose like a different input method, and you can see that the Japanese language has been added to the list. So if I go to my keyboard and hold down on the globe icon in the bottom corner like that, you can see I get to switch in between them. And this is the list, the same one which we had in the settings. So I can just pick the Japanese language, which is entirely at the bottom, and I can start typing something. So it pretty much works that way. You switch the languages with the globe icon like that. So you can, of course, just hold down on it and just switch in between it, right? Or you can also just tap on the globe icon, and this will also make it go one keyboard apart. Then you can, of course, just come back to the settings and perhaps delete the language if you no longer need it. But that is essentially it. Let me know below in the comments if you have more questions. Hopefully you liked what you see and found it helpful. So thanks a lot, and I hope I get to see you later.